Keep singing.
I'm singing.
Don't put it in his mouth. Oh. Whoop.
Let's see.
Keep singing.
I'm not.
Do you see a bird?
No.
There's a bird out on the bird feeder.
Right there. Up there.
Mm-hmm.
Flying. There's a bird flying.
What kind of birds do we have at our bird feeder?
Fruit.
What kind?
Fruit.
Do you remember we talked the other day?
Mm-hmm.
We have chickadees. And what other kind of bird? Titmouse.
Titmouse.
And cardinals.
Tornadoes.
And blue jays.
Blue jays.
And woodpeckers.
Woodpeckers.
And robins.
Robins.
And mourning doves.
Mom and Dad. No, Mommy does. Mommy does, Daddy. Mommy does. Mommy
And
does.
gentle.
Mommy does. Mommy does. Mommy does. We have you. You have this.